Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. This time we'll be dealing with total surface area of tetrahedron. Yes, tetrahedron. What do I mean by tetrahedron? Tetrahedron is simply triangular pyramid. This image you're seeing on your screen is triangular pyramid. It is also known as tetrahedron, triangular pyramid, because the four sides of the pyramids are made up of only triangles, unlike when we have triangular prism. Remember, the difference between the prism and the pyramid is that the prism have two faces which are rectangular, while the other faces are rectangular. However, tetrahedron, which is triangular pyramid, has all its faces to be triangle. So let's deal with total surface area of triangular pyramid, also known as tetrahedron. So what is the formula to calculate total surface area of triangular pyramid? Having known that this pyramid has all faces to be triangle. So total surface area of tetrahedron is given to be root 3 multiplied by length of the side So total surface area of tetrahedron is given by root 3 multiplied by the square of the length of a side. Now this is for regular triangular pyramid. What do I mean by regular? Meaning that the faces are made up of equilateral triangles. What do I mean by equilateral triangles? Triangles whose sides are equal. The three sides of the triangle are equal. So that is what we mean by regular triangular pyramid. So the total surface area of a regular tetrahedron, also known as triangular pyramid, is given to be root 3 multiplied by length of a side of the triangle squared. So root 3 is 1.7732 to 3 decimal place. So multiply by L squared. So if a case demands that you find root 3, you can express it this way, or you leave it as root 3 if the case demands otherwise. So let's solve some questions on total surface area of triangular pyramid. Question number 1 says a tetrahedron has an edge of length 6 cm. Calculate the total surface area of the tetrahedron. So let's go into the solution. So having known that total surface area of tetrahedron is equal to root 3 multiplied by L squared. L has been given, so we say root 3 multiplied by the L is 6 centimeter. So that gives me root 3 multiplied by 6 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter. So this will be root 3 multiplied by 6 times 6 will be 36. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter would be centimeter squared. So that is root 3 36 centimeter squared, or we can say 36 root 3 centimeter squared. Now, in case you are solving this question as theory and you want to leave your answer in short form, or it demands that you leave your answer in short form, it is important that you should write it properly. Don't say root 3 then 36 centimeter squared, such that maybe your root is extending to this 36. No, so it is advisable that you write like this to say 36 root 3, since it's multiplying, centimeter squared. So this can be understood perfectly, 36 root 3 centimeter squared. However, to make it simple, you can express your root 3 to be 1.732. So you just have 36 multiplied by 1.732 centimeter squared, and that should give you 36 multiplied by, so that should give you 62.352. 62.352 centimeter squared. So that is the final answer for this question. Let's take question number 2 and see what we can see with questions on triangular pyramid. Let's see what we can come across solving total surface area of triangular pyramid. So question number 2 says triangular pyramid has 4 equilateral triangular faces, each with a side of length 8 centimeter. What is the total surface area of the pyramid? So it's a similar questions. So I believe you can follow me now as we do this together. So I have known that the total surface area of the triangular pyramid, remember I told you that tetrahedron is the same thing as triangular pyramid. So what changes here is that tetrahedron is written as triangular pyramid, so we can still write as triangular pyramid. Let's say TP, so it's equal to root 3 multiplied by L squared. So root 3 multiplied by, since the length has been given to be 8 centimeter, so we're going to square this. So we have root 3 multiplied by 8 centimeter multiplied by another 8 centimeter. So here we have root 3 multiplied by 64, because 8 times 8 gives 64. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter will give centimeter squared. So if I like, I leave my answer to be 64 root 3 centimeter squared. However, if you want to attract more mark from your examiner, it is better to express the value of root 3 so that it becomes 64 multiplied by 1.732 centimeter squared. So if I do the 64 multiplied by 1.732, so I will have 110.848. So that is 110.848 centimeters squared, and that's the final answer to that question. So let's take question number 3. What if the total surface area of the triangular pyramid is given? How do I get the length of the edge? So let's get into that business. Question number 3. So question number 3 says the total surface area of a regular tetrahedron, regular indicates that it has equilateral triangle in all the faces. So total surface area of a regular tetrahedron is 173.2 centimeters squared. Please, centimeters squared should be indicated here. 173.2 centimeters squared. Calculate the edge length. Calculate the edge length. Calculate the edge length. So the first thing we're going to do is still to tell the formula that says that total surface area of a tetrahedron is equal to root 3 multiplied by L squared. So L squared is not given. However, the total surface area of the tetrahedron is given to be 173.2 centimeters squared. So that is root 3 multiplied by L squared. So I need to get the value of L squared, right? So I can simply express this. Gives me a sense of similarity in 1732, 173.2, and the root of 3. I think 173 centimeters squared is equal to, this should be 1.732 multiplied by L squared. So to make L squared the subject of the formula, I will divide both sides by 1.732. So to divide both sides by 1.732, 1.732. So this cancels this. So 173.2 centimeters squared divided by 1.732. What should be my answer? So I move this point 1, 2. That would be 100. To make it 1, that would be 1.73, 173. So let's say 1.732 multiplied by 100 should give me 173.2. So therefore, if I have it, I'll have 1.732 multiplied by 100 all over 1.732 equals to L squared. So this can cancel this. I'll be left with 100 here. So 100 centimeters squared is equals to L squared. And I'm looking for just the edge length, so I will square root the both sides. Find the square root of both sides so that square roots cancel the square. So I'm left with L equals to, the square root of 100 is 10, and the square root of centimeter squared would be centimeter, and that should be my answer. So the edge length of the regular tetrahedron is 10 centimeter. I believe you understood what we did in today's video. Watch the video again, put down your questions, solve more questions, and have rigid knowledge on total surface area of tetrahedron. See you in the next video. Bye bye.